tuned in like a track on. Shit running, bitch.
Whoa, wassam, YouTube. Forgive me for how rough I look. Actually, I don't even give a fuck, nigga. This is my life. I'm finna put my drill slider rotors on the car, but first I gotta go to Walmart and get a hand wrench, one of them little automatic motherfuckers, so I ain't gotta work too motherfucking hard. And I'm finna go get me something to eat. I just woke up, I'm hungry as hell. And yeah, how you doing though? You know what I'm saying? You blessed. You know what I'm saying? You highly favored. You know what I'm saying? You did you pray today? If you didn't, I'm on your ass. Better say something to the Lord, cause He trying to say something to you. That was an amazing breakfast, even though I ate at 12 something. Look, I'm at Louis Cafe. It's not my first time eating here, but you know, we in that rack in the South. So if you down here, come try. You know what I'm talking about? But now we on today's mission. Excuse me. Like I said, I gotta get the thing from Walmart, and then I'm headed to put this motherfucker up on jack stands and do my little thug thizzle, no cap. Stay tuned. Chat, I don't never come in Cartel or Walmart, and I know why. It's got niggas going on in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. It's book of people everywhere in this bitch, and it just look like it could go down in this bitch. It's been a minute since I've been in this motherfucker. I ain't even no stunt. I'm fucking Spider-Man for real, bro. I swear to God. Of course they would have this shit locked up. Like, now it's finna take 15 years for me to even... Actually, it didn't take as long as I thought it was gonna take. So we gone. Yeah, it started to rain, bro. But I don't get no fucks, nigga. That just mean I can't go nowhere or do nothing but this. That's all that mean. So shit, I'm finna pull up, like I said, put this bitch on jack stands, and we good. So I done made it back to the spot. Like I said, let me put this bitch up on jack stands, and then I'm gonna get back at y'all. Matter of fact, I'm finna show y'all the rear pair, cause they finally came in. You can see I got this side of the car jacked up, my impact gun with the air compress. This is the rear pair of brakes and rotors. Well, this is for the front, but these are the rear rotors. And then the front pair of brakes, the back pair of brakes are over there. So, yeah. We finna get towards... Keep in mind, I have not done anything like this ever. I've never changed no brakes, no rotors, none of that shit. So, this really finna be a learning experience. They say it's supposed to take like 2 hours to do. It might take me around there.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
But shit, I've been setting up for the most part, just making sure I got everything in order. And yeah, like I said, it's my first time doing some shit like this, so I gotta make sure I don't hurt my goddamn self, cause my brakes don't work. Well, I finally got this motherfucker lifted up in the front, and also I broke the lug nuts on both tires type shit. So shit, I'm finna take the tires off and then take my brake calipers off and change my brakes, and then go about it like that. My work area looks a mess, but shout out to my papa. He gave me a little assistance on this. As you can see, we got the brake right there. Finally got this old rotor off, and we're about to throw on that new one. You know what I'm saying? I gotta clean it off before I put it on there. So I need to find some degreaser or something like that, so I clean it off. I was gonna clean the whole wheel, and but I don't feel like doing all that all day. I already struggled trying to get this first fucking front rotor off. So I already broke the other side, like I said, so I'm gonna take that tire off after I clean this and put this one on, and I will show y'all the difference. Look how it look. As y'all can see, I got the rotor on there, but for some reason I can't get the brake to be flush, or the brakes to be flush, to where I can slide it on the new rotor. It's just not compressed enough in the inside of the caliper. But when we figure that out, then we'll have our new setup on, and we're gonna do the other three. I bet the other three gonna be 10 times fucking easier. It just always be one that just take you so fucking long. You know what I'm saying? It just be way longer than you expect. So yeah, but it look good though. Look at how nice that look compared to this shit. That bitch look amazing. I can't even stand. I had to recruit some help, but finally got this side done. It's on there. I'm gonna have to get these repainted for sure. But yeah, he doing that. My Uncle Ray doing the other side. Then we gonna start on the back. Finna put this tire back on. Yeah. He the reason, this nigga the one who told me this shit was gonna be easy, so this shit is easy to whoop his ass. This shit is not easy. These are my old pads. They actually not that bad. These bitches huge, low key though. Okay, as y'all can see, we got this wheel back on. This car is filthy, by the way. He finally doing some work. Getting the nigga right on this side. I'm going to do the back pair later on, or I'm gonna call my Uncle Ray back over here and make him do the back pair later on. Cause as y'all can see, we've ran out of daylight. You know what I'm saying? And I don't feel like I feel like I've been doing this all fucking day, so I'm not gonna keep doing this shit. But fast shit. They had some more fast shit, and then even more fast shit come through. So you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is day one of putting my motherfucking drill and slider rotors on. What? But look how good that bitch look though. Look how good the drill and slider look though.
3 weeks later. You make the sauce, but
We are back to square one once again. Got my car lifted up, wheels taken off on both sides. We getting this shit done today, I promise. As y'all can see, got this side almost done. We gotta put the brakes and that one last piece back on, and then we on to the next side. As you can see, we are completed on this side. We are also completed on this side. Look how that motherfucker look now. I ain't gonna lie, that shit give it a whole different look. The fucking, yeah, that shit crazy. I guess I get y'all pull before I get up out of here, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got no gas, but I'm finna go to the gas station anyway, so it don't even fucking matter. I'm in Baker, so I really shouldn't even be doing this, but Phantom.